So how can you open two apps at once on the Android? Let me explain it, and if you're new here, subscribe and we can get us started. So you need to actually have the developer options enabled. So if you go to your settings and find the About phone, and then click on software information, you need to tap the build number 7 times to make the phone switch to the developer mode. Because in most cases, using two apps at once is like a feature reserved for developer purposes. But you can access it no matter what, because if you do it at the bottom of settings, we have developer options. So make sure it's turned on, scroll through the endless list of options until you find these two right here. So force activities to be resizable, as well as enable freeform windows. Those two toggles have to be enabled, and if you do that, you can leave the settings and we are ready with the setup. Now, you can decide which apps you want to use at the same time. So let's say that I open up something random, whatever. I'm going to open up Discord like so, but I'm going to now switch to the multitasking panel like this. Click on the Discord icon at the top and tap on Open in Pop-up View. And now, as you can see, the app is resizable and I can move it wherever I want. And not only that, I can also go to another app and open it as well. So if I don't know, go to the Play Store, you can see I have both apps running at the same time. One is in the foreground and one is in the background, but I can also go to the multitasking panel, click on the other app and also open it in the pop-up view. And now I have two floating windows which I can resize, move around as much as I like, and now I can use it at the same time. So this is how you can use two apps at the same time. As you can see, no third-party apps or anything, just the developer options. So I hope it helps. Let me know if it worked for you as well. Hit the thumbs up and I'll see you later.